Hello, this is Talon with Old Guy Stuff on Busy Corner Lane. And if you have an analog watch with a date feature like this one has, you may notice a phenomenon where the date changes at noontime instead of midnight. Now, let me give a quick explanation of what's actually going on with this using an older watch that doesn't have a date. Okay, if you notice on this watch here that I just moved into the screen, inside the crystal, I have the white numbers 1 through 12, that's AM, and I have the red numbers 13 through 24, that's just 1 through 12 PM. So 13 through 24 is how the military would say it. Like 1 PM would be 1300 hours, okay? So I have an AM and a PM, but the AM are the white numbers and the PM are the red numbers, okay? So I have the same kind of thing over here, except I don't have the 13 through 24, and nothing indicates that I'm AM or PM, okay? So I'm 11:30 at night, I'm going to sleep. When I wake up in the morning, I should expect my date to go from what it is now, 11 to the 12th. It should advance one, okay? So let me move it. Notice it did not change at 12 o'clock. It did not. Okay, so I'm getting up 5 o'clock in the morning. We have Reveille, and I look at my watch and I notice that the date didn't change. Okay? And the reason for that is we didn't go from PM to AM, we went from AM to PM. So the watch is actually just went past noon. It didn't go past midnight. Okay? So look what happens when I think I'm going to lunch. Okay? Let me just kind of roll this through here real quick. Okay, 11 o'clock, looking forward to lunch. And notice my numbers are going to advance. So my watch is actually just past midnight now. That's why it advanced. Okay, now where I'm at this particular moment is just past 11:25. So I'm going to go to 11:25, and this is in AM because the watch is now in AM since it just cycled through the date number. Okay, so it's 11:25, and now I'm pushed the crown in, and now I'm at the right time. Now I need to go ahead and get the date set. So to reset the date, what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull the crown out once. The second hand should still be going. So if it stopped, then I went too far. And then I'm going to go the other way from what I went earlier, and then that's going to cycle through. And here's another thing that's going to happen. I'm on the 30th on my date right now, so think I'm June 30th. The next day should be July 1st, right? And so if I go one more, I'm the 31st. So the watch is thinking June 31st. So every time you have a month that's less than 31 days, you need to actually reset the date for the first. So just as a word of advice, you should go ahead and just remember to do that. Okay. Now I'm going to go ahead and get this set to the date I need, which is the 7th. Push the crown all the way in, and I'm good to go. So if you have a problem with the date changing at noontime instead of midnight, all you need to do to fix the problem is advance the watch by 12 hours and then set the date, and your problem will be solved. This has been Talon with Old Guy Stuff on Busy Corner Lane. Have a safe, happy, peaceful, wonderful day, and goodbye.